Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some awesome design freebies you can add to your arsenal. These resources are perfect for UI or UX designers, illustrators, and anyone else who wants to improve their designs. Let's quickly start with the resume template. As newbie UI or UX designers, sometimes we get stuck with the standard way of presenting our resume to gain employment or to be deemed a worthy designer or illustrator. This template is packed with 20 different templates, each with 5 different font styles. So, you can find the perfect template to match your style and needs. It's compatible with Figma, Sketch, and Adobe XD. Do you always have issues finding free illustrations for your designs? Try Ultima Illustrations. This bundle of 30 packs filled with more than 750 illustrations has something for everyone. All illustrations are available for commercial and personal projects. Next on the list is Clickins. Clickins offer 500 open-source fill and stroke icons for your design projects. The icons are separated into 17 categories, and they come in a universal minimalist style. You can explore the full collection in Figma for free. Scratches is an open-source collection of hand-drawn scribbles for interfaces and creative projects. Each shape is provided in black and white and is available for free editing in Adobe Photoshop and Figma. Mockups play a key role in design presentation. They make your designs look more professional. Here you can get a free universal and extremely detailed browser mockup template appropriate for any design idea. It consists of 6 high-quality templates that feature both black and light browser modes. It is compatible with Figma, and you can customize this template for free. If you are looking for a simple but yet high-quality mock-up of the iPhone 14 Pro in clay, then this resource is your best bet. With 6 color styles, you can apply them to your presentation or create new designs easily. Change the color of the device with a single click in Figma. Add some uniqueness to your device with 8 vibrant and dynamic blurred wallpapers in 5K resolution, suitable for both desktop and mobile devices. It's compatible with Figma. Finally, you don't need to spend your time and money finding a visual style and creating designs from scratch. Slam provides high-quality free illustrations and 3D assets to improve your design workflow. You can browse assets and find ones that fit your projects perfectly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.